Hello friends, welcome to your YouTube channel Sky is your limit. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon so you can get instant notification of our videos. So let's continue with the series on HTML. So in this video we will see some other tags which are very important, so don't miss it. Watch this video till end, okay? So in this third lesson we will see HR tag, center tag. We will see some color attributes of body tag and HR tag, okay? So then we will see UL tag, which is used for spacing horizontally. We have seen spacing vertically with BR tag, okay? And then we will see list tag. So let's start to write in HTML. So let's first save this save file lesson 3. So first I will write HTML syntax and give this title as lesson 3. Let's first write something in body tag. Hello HTML learners, okay? Let's save it first. Let's open it in browser. So here you can see HTML learners, okay? Let's make this web page color something different, okay? So what you need to do, you need to type color, okay, bg color. So this attribute named background color, so it will change your web page background. So let's write yellow, okay? So okay, no, you have to not write this, okay? So let's save it and let's go to our web browser and let's refresh it. What is the different? So here you can see your web page color is changed. So by this way you can change your web page color, okay? You can also change this color as light gray. Let's save it. Let's go to here. Okay, so not can only light gray, okay? So you can see the page color is changed, okay? So let's write here yellow as well. Let's type in h1 tag something hello brothers. So let's see HR tag. So HR tag is used for make line horizontally. So let's make a line HR tag. So in making for making horizontally line, you need to write only this tag, okay? So it will make a line in horizontally. So let's see, let's refresh it. So here you can see this line, okay? Let's change this line's color, okay? So let's change. So what you need to do, you need to change its color. So let's make it color pink, okay? Let's save it. Let's go to our web page and let's refresh. So here you can see the color is changed. Let's make this color as black, okay? So it will be more clear. So here you can see the line color is changed, okay? You can also make two lines here. HR tag color red, okay? Let's save it. Let's refresh this. So you can see there is another line. You can make spacing between these two lines. So how you can do, you can simply put here BR tag, okay? So it will make a space between these two lines, okay? So let's see. So here you can see there is a space between these two lines. Okay, so we have seen char tag and color attributes of body tag and HR tag. Then we will see center tag. So for center tag you have to type center, so this center tag. Okay, so whatever you write in this tag, it will show in the center of our web page. So let's type hello Pratham. So let's save it. Let's go to our web page. So here you can see hello Pratham is in center of our web page. So by this way you can write text in center of our web page. You can practice this tag one or more time. Let's see UL tag and list tag. So UL tag is used to make a space horizontally. So in this web page, let's put space vertically before hello HTML learners. So for doing this, let's make these line only. So you can understand. Put this text in UL tag. Okay. So let's save it and let's go to our browser and let's refresh. So you can see there is a space before these tags. Okay, and you can also making space vertically, you have seen here. Okay, so let's make hello brother here vertically space. Okay, horizontally space, sorry. Okay, let's make here. So as we know, there will be horizontally space here. Okay, so you can see this way. You can also use these heading tags in center tag also. So what you need to do, you need to simply put hello Pratham in h1 tag. Okay, so let's put this in hello. Okay, so let's save. Let's see. So you can see here hello Pratham is changed into h1 tag. Okay, so let's see some other tags. List tag. Okay, so in the list tag you will you can list some lines. Okay, so let's make one vertically space. Okay, so this li tag is a list tag. Okay, so let's type Python here. So let's save this and let's see what happened. Okay, so let's open my browser and let's refresh it. So here you cannot see anything here. Okay, so here you have to type Control S. Let's Control S and let's refresh it. So here you can see Python. Okay, so you can also make some other lists. You can also make some other text. Let's make, every time you need to type list tag. Okay, C language, then HTML, then Sublime text editor. Okay, so let's save it and let's see. So here you can see there is a list here, You can also change these fonts, these text fonts. We will see in uh, afterwards some other lectures. Okay, so you can also use here h1 tag or h2 tag or h3 tag something. Let's use h2 tag. Okay, so let's put this tag in h2 tag. Okay, so let's save it and let's go to our browser and refresh it. So here you can see this text has been changed. So by this way you can practice this code, and if you have any query you can contact me anytime. You can also comment. Okay, so it is enough for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video. We will meet in next tutorial. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and goodbye. Thank you.